Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm 23 years old, and I work at a shoe store in a small town in Ohio. It's a quiet town. People here know each other. The days are slow, but I like it that way. Every day, after work, I walk home. I take the same path, past the bakery, the library, and through the park. It's peaceful, and I enjoy the walk. One Tuesday evening, something strange happened. I was walking through the park, the sun was going down, and the air felt cool. I looked down and saw something on the grass, right near a bench. It was a wallet. I picked it up and looked around, but no one was there. The wallet was brown leather, a little worn out, like it had been used for years. Inside, there was a driver's license, some cash, and a photo of a dog. The name on the ID was Jake Miller. I thought, maybe he just dropped it. I waited for 10 minutes, but no one came. So I took it home. That night, I searched for him on Facebook. I found a profile that looked like him. Same name, same town. I sent a message. Hi Jake, I think I found your wallet near the park bench. Let me know how I can return it. He replied an hour later. Wow, thank you. I was so worried. I jog there every evening. Can we meet tomorrow? We agreed to meet at the small coffee shop near the park after I finished work. The next evening, I arrived a few minutes early. I sat at a corner table and waited. Soon, the door opened, and a tall guy with dark blonde hair walked in. He was wearing a blue hoodie and looked a little nervous. Sarah? He asked. I smiled. You must be Jake. He laughed. Yeah. Thanks for finding my wallet. That's really kind of you. I gave it to him. He opened it and checked. Everything was there. He looked relieved. You seriously saved my week, he said. Please let me at least buy you a coffee. I agreed. We ordered 2 hot drinks and sat by the window. He told me he was 25, worked at a local print shop, and lived with his dog Max. I told him I worked in retail and lived with my mom. We talked for about half an hour. He was funny and easy to talk to. When I left, he walked me to the bus stop. Before I got on, he said, Thanks again, Sarah. You didn't just return my wallet. You made my day. From then on, we started texting. At first, just short messages, how's work? Or cold day today. Then the texts became longer. We talked about books, movies, and our favorite pizza toppings. One weekend he asked, Want to hang out? I'll bring Max and we can walk in the park. I said yes. That Saturday, he brought 2 coffees and a tennis ball for Max. We walked for an hour, laughing and talking. Max kept jumping in the leaves and running in circles. Jake told me he had just moved to the town 6 months ago. He didn't know many people. I told him I didn't go out much either. You seem really quiet, he said. I am, I said. But I like talking to you. He smiled and said, Me too. From that day, we met often, sometimes at the park, sometimes for burgers, sometimes just sitting on a bench with hot drinks in our hands. One night, he texted, Crazy to think losing my wallet led to this. I replied, Sometimes losing something helps you find something better. He sent a smiling emoji. Then one chilly evening, we were sitting on a bench by the lake. He looked at me, serious for a moment. You make my days better, Sarah, he said. I looked at him and felt my heart beat a little faster. You make mine better too, I said quietly. We didn't kiss or say anything more. We just sat there, close together, feeling warm even in the cold. Now, it's been 2 months. Jake still jogs in the park. I still work at the shoe store. But now we meet almost every day. He still jokes that Max likes me more than him. I still bring extra treats in my bag for Max. Jake and I are not in a fairy tale. There are no fireworks. Just soft smiles, kind talks, and long walks. But that's all I ever wanted. My name is Sarah. I found a wallet one evening. And I found something even better. Someone who feels like home.